In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shortcut for QuickBooks Online. This is going to be a quick and efficient way to navigate directly to your most used QuickBooks Online features, saving you time and effort every day. So settle down and let's dive into it. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to QuickBooks Online. If you're a regular user, you likely have this bookmarked, but if not, just type QuickBooks Online into your favorite search engine and it'll be the first result. Once you're there, cast your eyes to the top right corner of the page where you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. After clicking sign in, you'll need to enter your credentials. This means typing in your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. Be sure to double check your entries to avoid any login issues. We've all been there, right? Once those details are in, hit the sign in button to access your account. This step is crucial, as you need to be logged into your account to create a shortcut for it. Now that you're logged in, let's look to the top right corner again. This time we're focusing on those three little dots, the menu. This might be referred to as the More menu depending on your browser, but either way, give it a click. This menu holds a lot of potentials and today we're going to unlock some of it. Upon clicking, a menu will appear and from here, you should select the option labelled Cast, Save and Share. It's a gateway to more options where you can manage various aspects of your dashboard. You may need to scroll slightly depending on how many options are in your menu list, but it'll be there. Once you find and click on Cast, Save and Share, you'll get a secondary list of options. Here's where it gets interesting because we are on the lookout for the Create a Shortcut option. Click on that. This simple action is going to save you significant time in the long run, as it allows you to access QuickBooks directly, bypassing the steps we outlined earlier. Lastly, once you've created your shortcut, a prompt may appear asking where you want to place it. Select Home to plant that shortcut right where you can easily access it every time you boot up your computer. It's as easy as that. And there you have it, a simple yet highly effective way to create a shortcut for QuickBooks Online. Now with just a single click, you can leap right into your accounting work without the fuss of logging in every time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more time-saving tips and tricks.